Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio and the Kenwood channel. This is my third take on this. First time I ran out of battery on the camera, second I ran out of battery on the microphone. So we're going to get this right this time, one take. This is, today we are in a Mercedes Vito W639 chassis, 2014, the older shape to what's currently out. This has had a Kenwood DMX8020 fitted with a nice flush fit fascia, as you can see there, so you don't have the trim going around the radio butts right up against the fascia. If I turn it off and turn it back on again, you'll see that we do our usual thing of putting the Mercedes startup logo on the screen, which you can see there. That's a nice little touch. This one, when installed by ourselves and other independent specialists around the country, you get a 3-year warranty on, which is a nice little addition. Means you've got a bit of peace of mind for the 3 years you use it. This model, what does it have? Well, starting from the top, we have the basics. We've got digital radio, we've got Bluetooth, we've got Apple CarPlay, we've got Android Auto. The most important thing is, I like about this unit, it's wireless Apple CarPlay, and I'll show you how that works. So really simple process on this unit. You just push the telephone button, it'll make it visible. You just go straight onto your phone, look for your devices, clearly I have a lot on here, go to DMX8020, select, your phone's going to say do you want to pair, you hit pair, then you just hit yes on the screen, allow your contacts to go across, and then in a few seconds it will say do you want to use CarPlay, like that. You just hit use CarPlay, hit the handshake yes on the unit, wait for it to do all its thing, and then now it's going to go through all the connections, and any second now it's going to boot up CarPlay, just like that. Great unit, always reliable, very fast to use. It's got what we call a capacitive touchscreen, which means it works extremely responsive on your finger. It's the same technology your iPhone screen uses or your Android screen. Yeah, it's a good unit. Very popular. They've got another model out as well called the DMX8021 now, which will pretty much replace this unit. Not massive differences, but we're kind of fitting both at the moment. So yeah, if you like what you see, and yeah, you want to get in contact and see what we can do for you. See you later. This is Connor from John Kleis. Goodbye.